BABALLASIAN Nature Camp, Adapting to Nature Through Biomimicry and Tropical Design, presented to you by Godfrey Gonzalez. Nature Camp. Nature Camp is a term that has come to be known as a place where people enjoy nature and a place where every day a different kind of new adventure is offered. Nature Camp can be traced back as early as mankind. Humans always are connected with nature as they are its shepherd and protector. The earliest kind of camp man had was caves, and it evolves through time as humans are always evolving. The potential of creating a nature camp is best solution to educate people the destructive impact of our action on the environment and help us conserve the nature. Babalasiwan Nature Camp. My title came from the name of the barangay where my site is located, which is Babalasiwan, Santa Maria, Ilocos Sur. Babalasiwan is also an Ilocano word means crossway. As people get to enjoy new technologies from time to time, they seek to get out and be close to nature, drawn to its beauty. People often go for hikes, trails, and dives and other activities to go deeper into nature and spend nights and days appreciating it. So by creating this project, we can help people a way to relax without their new technologies that they have been addicted to. Project location, Ilocos Sur, an agriculture province, and now one of the World Heritage Site in the country, and count as one of the new Seven Wonder Cities in the world. The province is bounded by mountains in the east and West Philippine Sea in the west. The project is on an agricultural land located at Barangay Babalasiwan, Pinsal Falls Road, Santa Maria, Ilocos Sur. It is approximately 9 kilometers drive from Santa Maria town proper to the site and 400 meters to Pinsal Falls. Problem and solutions. One of the challenges in designing within the nature is its possible harm not only to itself but also to its associating parts. The solution for this is to design a structure that blends and harmonizes well with nature without harming it. Rather, it enhances and maximizes its capabilities. And the next problem is, nature camp is a structure that is always one with nature, but lack of electricity may possibly hinders achieving its goal. So the solution for this is to design nature camp that generates its own source of electricity by using solar panels and wind turbines to produce electricity. My innovation is biomimicry and tropical architecture. Biomimicry as defined by Zach Mortis in his article entitled Nature Does It Better. Biomimicry in architecture and engineering is the imitation of models, system, and element of nature for the purpose of solving complex human problem. And also, biomimicry is an approach to innovation that seeks sustainable solution to human challenges. And my other innovation is tropical architecture. Tropical architecture is a design innovation that has always been used throughout the centuries in the countries with hot, humid climate is tropical architecture. Tropical design is the strategic arrangement of elements in buildings and structure to respond to specific condition of weather, sun, and climate prevalent in tropic region. My design concept. The design is focused on a structure that blends and harmonizes well with nature without harming it. Rather, it enhances and maximizes its capabilities. To design a nature camp that generates its own source of electric energy and produce its clean source of water. To design a nature camp that makes the travel and adventure itself. Project scopes and limits. The project covers the design of the nature retreat camp and its structures that includes accommodation structures, restaurant, function hall, and amenities. The focus of the project will be on nature camp building. Site planning will be considered. The design will focus on harmonizing and blending with nature within the site. Marketing, estimating, and structural detail will not be included in the study since the focus is on architectural design. The design objective of the project: to put the vacant land to productive uses, to generate energy, which is the solar panels and wind turbine. Capture and clean stormwater, which is the water harvesting system. Create jobs, job training opportunities, sustainable architecture, and accessibilities. And here are the technical description of the site. With a total area of 56,029.23 square meters. Size, shape, and accessibility. Kind of vehicle that can pass the road. Motorcycle, tricycle, car, SUV, PUV or van, jeepney, bus, truck. The site has an irregular polygonal shape. And the photo is showing the view surrounding the site. SWOT analysis. Strength. Accessible by any means of transportation. The proposed site is also 400 meters away from Pinsal Falls, considered as the largest and driest waterfall in Ilocos Sur. Weakness. Far distance to commercial establishment and prone to landslide. Opportunities. Located near tourist destination of the municipality. Threat. May generate tight traffic in the vicinity. And the vicinity analysis is shown on the photo, wherein you can locate the Santa Maria Church, Save More Santa Maria, and the Santo Niño Hospital. And here is the orientation, local microclimate, and census quality. The site faces the north direction, facing the river coming from the falls, and the provincial road connect to MacArthur Highway. The western, southern, and eastern part of the site offers a pleasant view of the mountainous area surrounding it, but gives risk to destructive landslide. Large amount of trees are surrounding the site that may prohibit the risk of having a landslide on the proposed site. Pinsal Falls is found on the southern part of the site, catering for tourist adventures. And here is my site development plan. My evolution of form is tarantula. The hole in the middle is the water harvesting system. Architectural influences and design inspiration. The project derives strong influence and inspiration from tropical architecture. The BABALLASIAN Nature Camp is sustainable in design and also eco-friendly. It features unconventional building materials such as cacahuate wood, bamboo grass, and dried reeds. The camp highlights the possibilities of building habitable structure out of alternative materials. As a common practice among farmers, these byproducts are often burned to produce energy, but burning them causes air pollution and result in irreversible environmental impact on both human health and ecosystem. And here are the floor plans, elevation, and sections of the project. The duplex family villa floor plan. The material used in villas are more on woods and heat-resistant glasses. And here are the elevation and section of the project. The man's eye and bird's eye view. And here is the function hall floor plan. The front, rear, left, and side elevation of function hall. The section A and B of function hall. And its bird's eye view perspective. And here is the ground floor plan of admin building. The second floor plan of admin building. The front, rear, right, and left elevation of admin building. And the section A and B of admin building. Its bird's eye view perspective. Exterior perspective. That is all, ma'am. Sir, thank you for listening.